Hi guys, it's me Shreya. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am going to share with you how to get your nails done professionally from the comfort of your home without visiting a salon and also without spending a lot of money. So for that you need very few things and those are as follows. Step number 1, you require a nail polish remover to wipe off the previous nail polish that is there. Now coming to the second step, many of you can skip it in case you don't have brittle natural nails. So what I use is nail strengthener or nail hardener. It hardens the nail and the natural nails doesn't bend. You can see my nail is very straight and it will not bend because of the nail hardener or strengthener that I have applied. After this process, you will need to apply the nail polish. Any color of your choice you can use, and lastly you need to apply a top coat. It can be shinier top coat or a matte top coat. It enhances the overall manicure that you have done. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. I hope you all have enjoyed watching my video. In case you are wondering where all are the products that I have used, You don't need to worry, I'll be leaving all the links in the description for you to check it out in case you are planning to purchase. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and help my channel grow. Until the next video, bye bye.